Yo, what is up, guys? I'm Prestige Cards, and this is episode 3 of starting a sports card business. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but I was on a trip, and I said that in the last video, but I'm back. I have tons of inventory, and today we're focusing on the strategy I'm using this year to scale my sports card business. But first, let's get into the mail day. Alright, so after opening everything up, we got a lot of cards, obviously. But let's start with the low end. So this is all the low end right here on the left side. Surprisingly, it's some good stuff. I got all of it for $167, no joke. But my plan with it, I might do a card show. I might vend at a card show for the very first time. So like $1 box, $2 box things, or just have a huge whatnot stream where I just run all of it. Should be good profit because I mean, $167. I mean, probably like 200 cards here. Good money there. So on to the bigger stuff now. Starting Malik Neighbors Downtown, I got this and this Jahmyr Gibbs Green Prism. I got both of those for $400. Pretty good deal there. Hurts patch to $49, pretty beat up, but $14 here doesn't hurt. Dart X Factor, I got another one of these, 17 each. Thinking that could be a good play there. Mahomes patch for $8. I mean, Mahomes patch, not sure if it's game worn or not. Yeah, it's not. Caleb, obviously buying a lot of Caleb. I mean, I think he's the best buy in the hobby right now. Dart, I was bored on my way to the trip, so I just wanted to buy something. Kind of bought it at full comp, see what I could do here. It's like bought it at $92. Caleb All Edge Refractor, I love this card a lot. It's, out of Topps Chrome, I like the set from that year. On with the Caleb Pink Optic again, buying Caleb. Love these Visionaries, man. CJ Stroud on the Visionary and Hurts on the Visionary. Not sure how much I got this for. This one was like $30. Knicks, he's a pretty good buy right now in my opinion. From Disco Prism last year, maybe a grading piece, but with PSA grading, I'm not sure how it's gonna go. Got it for $35. McCaffrey, this wasn't a lot. I believe I got it for like a 105 or 100, but good buy there. And then Daniels, I think he's going up also. That rookie QB class, man, it's amazing. So Daniels on the 8. And then some more slabs. Dylan Harper Refractor. Got this for $125 when I went on my trip. It's now worth around $200. Caleb Williams Mosaic. Again, best buy in the hobby. I'm telling y'all, this is the strategy. But not the strategy in this video. And then Hunter Silver Mojo from Paragon. This is an interesting card. It's just 75. Pop 1. No comps, obviously. I'm the only one who has it. And I think I bought it for like $40, 45. But the thing with this card is like the Tet does like 60, but then like the Bo Nix does like 200. So I don't know where to draw the line because this is rookie obviously, and Hunter's pretty good like value in the hobby. So I'm not sure what to do. Comment down below what I should do with this card and how much I should price it at. Alright, now for the part that I know you guys are here for. How would I scale my sports card business and how you can too? So we're going to go over 5 different things that are kind of included in my strategy. There are 5 different elements, and we're going to go through all of them, starting with number 1. So for learning how to catch trends, I want you to focus more on one market of cards. Say it's NFL, right? I want you to watch the game. I want you to watch football games and see who's trending in the market. For example, right now, Caleb Williams is trending up, right? I'm buying into Caleb Williams. I'm not saying you should buy into Caleb Williams. We'll get into that later, but Caleb Williams is trending up. So you have to know the market and know who's trending up. Also, for example, in the NBA, a team like the San Antonio Spurs, who just came off a finals loss, some of their players are already hot, like Stephon Castle. You don't want to buy into Stephon Castle. His market is at his peak right now. Players like Victor Wembanyama, however, his market's pretty low just because of the finals loss, him being the best player on the team. But like Dylan Harper, Stephon Castle, those kind of guys, those are already up. So you have to know the players and know how their market's going. Step number 2, you have to focus on liquidity. Liquidity is basically how in demand that sports card is. So autographs, they're really popular, they're in demand, but if it's a random autograph of a random guy, no one really wants it. It has to be a liquid autograph. Guys like Tyler Shuck, Cam Ward, Jackson Dart. Again, not telling you to buy these guys, just saying these cards have to be liquid. Another example, downtowns are really popular, kabooms are really popular. Yes, they're overprinted, but they're liquid cards. People want liquid cards, and that's what you have to focus on if you want to grow your sports card business. A side note, if your business is mainly for other collectors, then the liquid card, you just completely ignore that part. Don't listen to anything I just said about the liquid part, because if you're selling to collectors don't care about liquidity. Step number 3, I want you to buy what you believe in. Now, I'm saying guys like Caleb Williams, that's who I'm buying. You don't necessarily have to listen to me, but you can. I could be wrong, I could be right. I want you to buy who you believe, because that's the most important thing in sports cards. You have to believe in the players you're investing in. And if that player does good, sometimes he won't, and that's okay. But if that player does good and he does really good, that card's going to skyrocket, or however many cards you have of him are going to skyrocket. And that's just going to make you a lot of money in the long term. Step number 4, you have to sell on multiple platforms. Platforms like eBay, even like Mercari, Discord, Instagram, Whatnot. I don't have Instagram because I'm not allowed to, but like Whatnot has been really big for me. And I know some people are scared of getting into Whatnot, but it's really not that bad. I know people start auctions at $1, and you have to kind of do that to build an audience. You'll lose some at the first place, but in the long run, it'll really help you. That's what I thought at the start, and then I started implementing that Whatnot strategy, and it did wonders for me. My Whatnot business is already at like 2,000 followers, and I'm planning on doing more shows now. Also, on eBay, the thing with eBay people don't tell you, you must list consistently. That's how the eBay algorithm gets you into more sales. You can start with auctions, but I don't really recommend it. Sometimes it goes low, sometimes it goes high. But like mainly buy it now. If you list just like 5 cards a day, maybe even 2, even 1 card, if you just stay consistent on eBay, you'll do good on your eBay. For Discord, there's a lot of good Discord servers out there. There's some free ones, there's some paid ones. I'm in free ones only. I am in a paid one, but I got in that earlier. It was free, but now it's paid, but I got into it when it was free. So for Discord servers, I know trust issue is really the main thing, but on the bigger Discord servers, it's usually like there's a system that shows whether the guy is credible or not, and they'll be verified. So you can send them PayPal goods and services, which gives you protection as the buyer, or you can send them friends and family only if they're verified. So only if they're verified, you can send them friends and family, and you'll be insured by the Discord server also. Also, a side note from this, selling on multiple platforms and on social media and making content on social media can really help you too. As of now, I'm pretty small on social media. I only have YouTube right now, but I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel more. So if you guys wouldn't mind, make sure to subscribe. It'll really help me a lot. And make sure to check out my eBay store. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Now on to the last step. Step number 5, tracking your sports card purchases. Now, people don't know how important it is to track your sports card purchases, but it might be the most vital thing in your sports card business, and it might be the thing holding you back from growing. See, if you don't track your sports card business, you don't know if you're making profit or not. I'm pretty behind on tracking my business, but I'm going to get caught ahead. So when you track your business, it tells you how much profit you make. Now, if you keep losing on a card and you don't track it, you're just going to be down in money, and you're going to see your money go down without knowing really why. And when you track your purchases, you can see the profit margin you have on your purchases. I'll leave a spreadsheet link down below if I can, but there's like a profit margin that it shows. And the higher the profit margin, obviously, the better. So if you can find a good profit margin and you can see trends within that profit margin on the spreadsheet, you can see which cards sell better for you. Say like basketball cards have a higher profit margin for you than football cards, and specifically basketball cards of guards like Stephon Castle, Dylan Harper that I mentioned. You could keep buying into those cards. Again, not saying you should buy into those cards. That's just my opinion. But you can keep buying into those cards and resell them for higher and grow your business even more. Those are the 5 things that's going to help me and my strategy with growing my sports card business in 2026. And I think it could help you too. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and watch episode 2 right here. I'll see you in the next one.